jam block. This is a jam block. It is a percussion instrument which is a hard plastic version of the wood block, which is originated in China many years ago. It is colorful but heavy. It's very popular among drummers and percussionists because, like the cowbell, it makes a loud and dry sound. This allows it to be heard above all the instruments in the band, adding a very noticeable beat. It can be played with a regular drumstick like this and can produce more than one sound depending upon where you play it. If you don't have a jam block, you can improvise one with a container made of thick plastic. The empty containers of shampoo, lotion, or body wash are very useful for this. You can use a metal spoon or you can use a wood spoon. You can use more than one and have two different sizes. Hold them together with enough tape or rubber bands or both in this way. In this way, you can have more sounds to play. Practice with your jam block, and when you are ready, choose your favorite music. See you soon.